الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر
أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على أشرف المرسلين سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. The value that we are trying to address today is another very important value. It has to do with التواضع, humility. Humility is essential in our spiritual experience, and especially while we are experiencing our fasting today. We don't drink, we don't eat, we are trying to prevent ourselves from everything which is bad, so it has to do with a sense of fragility that we have, because we know that without eating and without drinking we are lost, we can't survive. So this sense of humility comes as an essential dimension of our spiritual journey, to remain humble. And when Luqman, the wise man, was talking to his son, he told him, وَلَا تُسَعَرْ خَدَّكَ لِلنَّاسِ وَلَا تَمْشِ فِي الْأَرْضِ مَرَحًا. Don't turn away your face from people in contempt, and don't walk on earth with arrogance, meaning be careful. The way you are with God, the way you understand with yourself with God, and you know yourself how much you have mistakes and weaknesses and even sins in yourself. So when you ponder over your own self, you understand that you cannot be arrogant, that you are not better than all human beings around you, and it's not because you are a Muslim that you are better, that only God knows how you are and who you are and yourself. So this humility, it's essential in the way we deal with ourselves, in the way we deal with human beings around. So the way we walk, but also, and especially during Ramadan, but this should be the case in every day of our life, the way we speak to the people. Because during Ramadan, as much as we are preventing ourselves from eating, we have to prevent ourselves from any vulgarity, slang, and talking to the people. This has to do with a sense of humility. This has to do with don't be arrogant. Even to the one who was saying on earth, أَنَا رَبُّكُمُ الْأَعْلَى Pharaoh, who said this, I am your God on earth. Allah sent Moses and Harun to him, and speaking in which way? With lots of humility. وَقُلَا لَهُ قَوْلًا لَيِّنًا. Speak to him with very sweet and kind words, meaning that this is part of the way you have to be humble. Don't be arrogant in the way you walk on earth. Don't be arrogant with the people. Know that there is humility in the way you think, and this is intellectual humility. You know, but you know that you don't know. What Socrates said, I know that I know nothing. It's a very essential dimension of our spiritual journey when it comes to intelligence, when it comes to intellectual humility, physical humility, spiritual humility. This is the way we should be during Ramadan, and this is the way we should be during our life. It's part of the way, or the way we are close to God. Close to God, we experience humility with human beings. That's a sign, and that's the way. Inshallah, remain positive in your way towards humility and experiencing it. Take good care of yourself, and never forget to tell the people you love that you love them. Inshallah. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.